Hey traders, may pips be upon you. This is the second part. Actually, this is the third part. I'm sorry. This is the third part of the weekly forecast, the Forex weekly forecast. And I'll be covering in this video what we got: pound Aussie, pound Swiss, pounds CAD, pound New Zealand dollar. We're going to handle those pound pairs, and then we're going to the euros. Okay. And we'll see how far we can get in this before, I lose the attention of my YouTube viewers. Now, before we begin, I'd just like to give a message. Listen, if you think you're getting some value from the videos that I'm putting out, if you're getting some value from it, if you are enjoying the free content, I'm talking about free analysis, free education, a free way to learn how to analyze, view, and execute trades on the Forex markets for free, free. Listen, give a like. That's it. If you like what you're getting, give a like. If you like if you want more, subscribe. I mean, you don't miss. Why are you subscribing? Because you don't want to miss the updates. All right. I always give videos during the week, and they're quick ones. It's not with a whole bunch of thumbnails and music and intros and everything. I give you the straight one. Hey, this thing is moving here and I'm moving there. This is what I'm going to do. If that happens, then this happens. You don't want to miss the next one. So subscribe. You don't want to miss the next messages, the next analysis or whatever. All right. I'm trying to help. I'm trying to build a community. That's what I'm trying to do. And I need your help in order to do that. I need you to help the YouTube algorithm by giving likes and subscribing and watching the entire video. Spending time in each video counts a great deal towards building up this channel. All right. And that's the end of my message. Pound Aussie. Let's take a look at this. Let's do some analysis on this thing. All right. Now, what do we got here? Got some sideways action going on, but it's kind of more bullish than anything else, right? We can see how price came from the bottom of this trading range, kind of moved up, all right? Got a little channel going on, I think, actually. If I put that there, and then I put this one, all right, yeah, we got a little channel going up, an ascending channel. And that's interesting because you can always play the bottoms to the tops, right? You can just buy here and sell there. If you did that here, buy here, sell there, and then, just exit when you're in profit, you would be doing pretty good. Now, what does it mean for us going forward is the question. I am long on this pair as it stands, but we are hitting resistance just like its cousins, the other pound pairs that I did in the weekly forecast part 2. All right. At the end of this video, I'll leave the video link to the prior video. Okay. So that you could just click on it and you can just check those out. All right. Now, so we got this ascending channel. We got price hitting this double top. Let's see what the stochastics is talking about. Well, man, we are just like in the other pairs. We are poised for a rejection here. That wouldn't surprise me at all. So, how do we handle this? Well, let's take a look. Before we jump into anything, I want to make sure we have some good levels going on here. Let's see, where's a good level to over here for it's going to be kind of hard here. Let me turn out the lights. Let's go to a line. the line look? We got one here. You see how price has been used as resistance, resistance, resistance here, support here, resistance here. This is a good level. I'm going to keep my eye on this level. Also, there's another level here that I'm looking at. You can see how price was used as support, support, support here. It did get past it here, right? Swim around it. This is an interesting zone in between these two lines. We got being used as resistance here, resistance here, resistance here, finding resistance at the top one. So I'm going to keep my eye on these, on this zone. Okay. I think that makes sense to do. These little arrows are driving me crazy. Okay. So let's go to the 4 hour and have a look. Oh, the stochastics, see, things are changing. All right. So this makes me think, because I'm long in this pair, I would like to see, it's not optimal. I would like to see price here, like that over here. I would like to see it in the oversold zone, right? And where would that be over here? That's the question. I need us to find support. And this line here, this one here, support, support, support here, resistance there as it passes through, then comes back down through. Yeah, this might be the level here. This might be the level right here. All right, I'm going to tag this level because I think it's important. Okay, 1.81109. All right, and we got this one here. Let's just keep an eye on these levels now, and we got this one here. Okay, make a note of them. All right, and this level here, man, I'm gonna, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna put my fibs on this. Take a look. Take a look. See this, if we hit the 382 down here, this will get me in a buy. This would get me in a buy. Let me see. Is this line, stop it. Is this buy, is this this level really more appropriate to be placed here? Now we have a lot of interactions at this level. There is no doubt of that. But is this the level we need to be at? Is the question. I want to take a look at this on the daily really quick. It's all about how many times it was tested as resistance and support. We can see the support here. We can see the support here. This is a nice zone. There's no doubt. Resistance here. Resistance, resistance. Yeah, there's no doubt about that. It's a legitimate level, no doubt. But is this the level that will turn price? I am not sure. I'm going to put this here. And I'm going to go by what I see here. I'm going to see. All right. So, all right. This one's a little harder to actually pinpoint. For me, it is anyway, because this area is kind of, you know, chopped up and it's not clearly defined. So this is what I would like to see is if price finds support at the 382 fib level here. No wonder I'm sorry. I went to a higher one. Yeah, this one here, I think it's reasonable to expect price may have a good reaction here. Boom, booms, boom. We have support here. So I'm going to look for price to continue down to this level. Where is it? Give me this. I'm going to look for price to continue down here. And if price does come down here, I would be interested in a buy and I will take it higher, probably to this touch that upper the upper part of this ascending channel. All right, we're gonna, I'm gonna keep my eye on this double top here. Are we in a, see, I'm looking for the a supply area, an area of supply. See, this area was mitigated twice already. The last time it was up here, this is what, shoot. This is what I'm talking about. I'm spending too much time on this one. Doggone it. I can't just turn that off. This is the supply. This is the supply area. It's been hit twice. 1, 2. Prices already come in here and taking these, taking a bunch of selling orders, and we're back here. We have this reaction already. Is this the kind of reaction that tells me, yeah, price is going to continue down? No, it didn't do this. It didn't give me this strong bearish candles. It gave me this chop, 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 chop. All right. So if price does make it down here, I'll be interested in a buy to take it higher. All right. Actually, I'm going to put this on my watch list. It's not on the hot list, but it's on the watch list. Okay. And I'm going to keep my eye on that one. Next, we're going to pound Swiss. Let's see what we got on the daily. Okay. Look at this. Look at this price. Look like price has broken the uptrend. Oh, look at this. You see this, right? Price has broken the uptrend. Boom. Broken that trend line. All right. The higher low here was broken past, and we retested it here. Great. And what do I always say? Once it retests, I look for the price to continue in the direction of the new trend, right? This is the new lower high. This is the lower low. So I'm looking for a new lower low after this lower high is made. All right. We got that here. All right. And then we get the double top right at the same exact zone as that higher low, the lower high, and now another lower high. So I am expecting price to continue to make a new lower low until I see otherwise. We have bearish candles. We have the rejection at this level. So I'm expecting price to continue lower. All right. Now, but in my pre-scan, I saw that we were above the 200. All right. And I saw how price was close here with the 50 and the 20. All right. We are above, but we don't have a strong uptrend anymore. You see how prices looks like the 20 is getting ready to cross that 50. So I'm not too strong on a long position. All right. Now let's take a look at what the stochastic is. We touched the overbought area. All right. This would have been the area in which to take that sell. All right. And I would have taken my sell after this candle. This candle is the one I like, a momentum candle. And I would have taken my short on the close, at the close and the opening of the new candle. I would have put my stop loss there. I'd be looking down, aiming at the lows and this support here. Yeah, this would have been the trade. However, I am late to the gate. I mean, this happened Thursday, a couple of business days ago, and I was in other trades. So, but now we're looking for an entry. We got to look for, when price does a retracement, and I'm telling you, it will retrace. Look at all of this. Look at all these wick rejections and whatnot. We're going to see a retracement. It's going to come back and test this area. All right. If we go to the 4 hour, look, we are oversold right now. Okay. We need price for a good entry. We need price to come back above here and give us the entry we need. And we'll just keep an eye on it. It's not on the hot list, but there is a level here that I like, right about there, I would say. Let's take a look. We always look left, right? Let me look on the higher time frame. Look left on the daily and see if this is the level that we can see a lot of price interaction, right? And right about here, I would say right about here. Yeah, I like that. And let's go over, see what we got over here. Yeah, we're on this level. We're on the level. We see how it is here with wick rejections. We see the closes and everything. Let's take a look with the line on. We have a test here, test there. Here it is being tested as resistance, but I need the test of support here. So this looks like it might be the right position for this. Okay, so I'm going back to the 4 hour. Okay, and we are going to check it out what we got. Right. All right. So we are overbought right now. Maybe we find price will find some support here and end up retesting some of these lows here in this area. I do like this area here. I do like this area. I favor it, matter of fact. I'm waiting for price to come back up there, but there is an area over here that is not very clear, and I don't want to use that. So I'm going to hold off on that. Let's take a look and see if we can get some structure aligned with the Fibonacci retracement level here. You see how it hit the 618, went up here to the 382, but didn't get any higher. It looks like we might be breaking these lows. I'm gonna keep my eye on this. This isn't hot. This is just something I'm gonna watch. I'll put it on the watch list for sure. Yeah, I'll put it on the watch list. All right, we've hit the 618, but price seems to be making lower lows with a lower high and not breaking these higher lows. I mean these lower highs. So it bears watching. Okay, so let's look for a higher retest under these levels, maybe in this area, and then we can look for a short. All right, this isn't really hot at all, but I'll watch it. I'll put it on the watch list as yellow. All right, pound CAD. All right, pound CAD. Let's look on the daily. Let's get a quick. Oh, wait a minute. Look at this. Rangy CAD. Ugh. All right. Pure technicals is what I'm talking about here, folks. All right. See this range? Da. All right. We haven't gotten any new highs since doggone March of 2020, right? So currently we're playing in with this range. Right. That's not encouraging for, it's not trending well. And this is not the area I want to play in. All right. You see when the EMAs come together like that, this isn't something I'm going to spend any time on. This isn't going to be on a hot or cold list. All right. And that will be the end of this video. Thank you for tuning in. Listen, don't forget, like and subscribe if you appreciate and want more free education and analysis. All right. Because I will be happy to give it to you if that's what you like. All right. And if you have a question about any of the analysis, please leave me a question in the comments. I have a question for you. Which one do you think price will do? Do you see price going bearish from this area, or do you think it'll break this resistance and come back and retest it as support? Tell me in the comments. I'll talk to you in the next video.